Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. My name is Dylan, and welcome to another unboxing video. Wow, another unboxing video. That's strange. Usually you do one of these per year. Seems like it, but there's going to be a lot of unboxing videos this year. Just a heads up, there's two coming up like this fall. I mean, literally this fall. Like the beginning after August, September. Okay? So, but we're not here to talk about that. We are here to talk about the unboxing of Persona Q2, the Showtime Premium Edition. Ooh. And also the last 3DS game that Nintendo is going to make here in the States. Well, it already came out in Japan, but 6 months later, we finally got ours, and also no English dub. I know why, but I'm not going to go into details. Let's just open this bad boy up. So, yeah. And if you guys remember, I did a unboxing on the first game, the first Persona game, or first Persona Q game, a long time ago, and I have a lot of the same stuff from it, because it was 2000. Yeah, it was 2014. So here's the box, if the camera can focus, not on me. Thing. There's that Q2, the 3DS. There's the side. I don't know any of those characters because this game actually not been marketed a hell of a lot here in the States. And then you got the whole Phantom Thieves. You got Morgana, Joker, Futaba, Leon, Ryuji, Yusuke, Akachi, Makoto, and Horror. Noir. I just like calling him Noir. How do I... Horror. But, yeah. And that's the thing. Oh, by the way, here's the back. And that's what you all get in the collector's edition. Because, yeah. This is my third collector's edition for a 3DS game. First one was obvious Persona Q1. And here's the box. There's Q2 and Q1. This is the thing, and you can tell that they're different. You both get collector's box. This is still, I think, a lot better display-wise compared to this. This is just a bigger box, and unlike this where you have the cover side, you have two protections on the back, and then the wire card thing. So let's open this bad boy up, shall we? Oh, look at that! Oh, I can always. Let's do this. That's right. So we don't get like anything special with 3DS. No, we don't get a stylus or any bull crap. We get cards. We get playing cards. You like solitaire? Persona Q2 got your back. No, or it took me forever to get this thing open. Oh man, what thing? So we got that. Okay, come on. And there's the hat. Hey, if you guys want to play 52 pickup, I really don't want to. But... oh God, the Joker card with the cartoon Take Your Heart logo. I get it! That's Yurikami, he's the king. And then you got Mitsuru as the queen.
6.5 hours later.
And here's a blank card. So there's these cards that okay, so this will come in handy later. Yeah. Because they actually have the names of the new characters that you saw on the box right here. Okay, so here's it. One's named Hikari, Negi, and Do. I think the shadow's Do. I think that guy's Do right there. Ridiculous. So, yeah, we don't get a case or anything. We get freaking playing cards. I took way too long on that. And then you get this. You can just throw it. Here's the game case. And I'm shocked. This is like a heavy pen. And then here's the first one. The case, and you notice this is signed because I met some of the voice actors like Aigis and Nanako, Yukiko, Ren's voice actor, God, Shinjiro Senpai's guys on this, and then you like my copy of this actually broke. So I need to get a new copy of oh god! No wonder it was heavy. Because you got these little buttons. You got Yurikami, female, Minako, and Joker. Because he's in his Joker form. Or also known as Akira, whichever you want to do. Focus. Thank you. So you get these little buttons, just like you got pins from what's that one game? Another Atlas title. I forgot. And then you get like this, if you want to even call it fucking guide. And then I know something. You get a little thing in the chain. You got a key, and you got some of the levels. One is wakes out because spoilers. Okay. Yeah. Instead of purple, it's orange. This is the game card. It's orange. It's orange. It's orange. So I'm just going to put that there. And now to the art book. Yes, you get an art book with this, and it is pretty much the same art book as the last one. I mean, here's the one from the original, and here's the new one. They seem kind of like things, but here's some of the art in the first one. I mean, there's Chie Yukiko, and now well, here's Chie Yosuke, and then he got a bio with him. What's it? So you got a bio for them. Yeah, I gotta say, I do kind of like this art. Actually, they'd probably be confused, but if you really wanted to, this is a nice little thing to get signed. I might get this signed, but even though they're not all going to be in this game. Oh! Yes, I was right! Because there's Hurka, and then Negi, who's, I want to say, really a fan moment guy. Where's Doe? Yep, the Doe is the shadow! That's great. That's great. That's great. That's really great. That's great. I do really like this art. And kicking us off is, of course, everybody's best girl. But there's something else. Kind of the main reason why I wanted to get this is this little guy. The little Koromaru plushie! He's so adorable! Oh my god! Yes! Oh my god, look at him. He's so cute. And a dog. This is the main thing. This was the $80 worth it, damn it! It's for the Koromaru plushie. Now, here's Morgana, cat and dog. And then I got Teddy. I can't get them all. But yeah. Yes, I can. And I got Teddy at a convention a long time ago. And I got these two. Koromaru, Morgana. They're gonna be bestest friends. I got all the mascot characters from Persona now. Even though Teddy is like big, but other than that, so that's pretty much what you all get in the Persona 2 collector's edition. Oh wow! I just noticed on top of the box, you got a picture of Morgana and the little logo. I'm kind of curious. And on the back, you get, on the back, if you open it from the back, you get Teddy and Koromaru. That is some great detail. Right there. So, with all that, you get all that, you get this big box as a collector's thing. You get this art book, you get the game, and these pens, okay? And there's in-game purchases, of course there is, because it's... And you get these trading cards, playing cards, with some really good artwork on them. And then you get everybody's favorite Koromaru. I mean, look at him. Main reason why I bought this collection. Other than that, I probably would have skipped out on this and show us as I'm not getting into the details. So that's been the unboxing of Persona 2. Persona Q2, the new 7 English is not my best language. The Showdown printed. So, you know what that means. I will see you guys in the next Giant episode.